Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve x by 5 times x by 5 equal 5 by x, and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So x times x becomes x square and 5 times 5 become 5 square equal 5 by x. Now if I'll do cross multiplication, so x square times x equal 5 times 5 square. So it becomes x power 2 plus 1 equal 5 power 1 plus 2. As per exponent rule, x power m times x power n, we can write it as x power m plus n. So it's x power 3 plus 5 power is equals to 5 power 3. Now x power 3 minus 5 power 3 equals 0, we can write. Now as per the identity a cube minus b cube, we can write a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. So it becomes x minus 5 times x square plus 5x plus 5 square is 25 equals 0. So x minus 5 times x square plus 5x. First this case equals 0, x minus 5. And second x square plus 5x plus 25 equal 0. So from here the value of x is 5, and here if I'm using quadratic formula, a is 1, b is 2 and c is 25. So x equal minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So x equal minus 2 plus minus under root 2 square minus 4 times 1 times 25 by 2 times 1. So x equal, sorry, it's 5 minus 5 plus minus under root 5 square is 25 minus 4 times 25 by 2. So x equal minus 5 plus minus under root, if I'll take 25 as common, so 1 minus 4 by 2. So x equal minus 5 plus minus under root 25 times negative 3 by 2. So x equal minus 5 plus minus under root 25 times under root minus 3 by 2. So x equal minus 5 plus minus 25 is 5 and it's root 3 iota by 2. So x, if I'll take 5 as common, so minus 1 plus minus root 3 iota by 2. So x1 is 5, x2 is 5 minus 1 plus root 3 iota by 2, and x3 is 5 minus 1 minus root 3 iota by 2. These are the three values of x. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the